The topic is fertilization. So, after pollination, the next step is fertilization. On reaching the stigma of a flower, the pollen grain it germinates to form a pollen tube. So we can see in this figure that the germinated pollen grain has landed on stigma after the pollination has occurred, and this pollen grain will form a pollen tube like structure through the style. Now this pollen tube grows down the style and enters the ovary to reach the ovule. So this pollen tube will grow through the style and it will reach the ovary so that it can fertilize the male gamete with the female gamete. Now, on reaching the ovule, the pollen tube releases the male gametes. So, when this pollen tube this will reach the ovule, it enters through a small opening which is known as micropyle, which is present, and it enters the ovule. Now, the male gamete fuses with the female gamete, that is egg in the ovule. So, this pollen tube is carrying two male gametes, and this will fuse with the female gamete or egg which is present in the same ovule. The fusion produces the zygote. So, male gamete, when it fuses with the female gamete, they produce a diploid zygote. The fusion of male and female gametes is called as fertilization. So, when fusion of male and female gametes take place, this is known as fertilization. Now, after fertilization, the ovary will develop into a fruit and ovules will develop into seeds. So, when fertilization will take place, zygote will be formed, and this ovary will change into fruit and ovules will change into seeds. Now, we can see in this figure that embryo sac is also present. So ovule consists of the embryo sac which consists of the female gamete, and it also consists of two nuclei which are also known as polar nuclei.